let me show you how to reset your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro, if you don't have the PIN pattern or password for it to unlock it. So to do that, first simply press and hold your power plus volume up at the same time and hold till the phone shutdowns. It takes maybe like 10 seconds. So the power plus volume up. And once it's off, jump to holding the down plus power. So power button plus volume down. And we keep holding till it boots up. Takes maybe up to like a minute sometimes, depending on which model you have. So again, the power plus down, keep holding without releasing. Okay, so as you see, we are now in this menu, and next using your volume buttons. So the down, go to the recovery mode and confirm with this one. And you will see now this dead Android man. Now hold the power and click the up. So power and up. And you'll get access to this menu. Next, using your volume buttons, cycle down till you see wipe data, factory reset. So now confirm with this one, power button, cycle down again with your volume buttons, and now select again with the power button. And once you do that, it will completely reset everything on the phone and also will remove the PIN pattern, so security details as well, and it will essentially be a brand new phone. Okay, good luck.